What is up, guys? We've got the Kestreln hand mixer. This thing is very cool. Let's get it set up and show you how it works. So I've just got some milk here that we're going to be able to mix with, but this is a very cool unit. I think when I look at the number on the product page there, it's an incredible value. Basically, it's got a power cord. You just plug it in. It's got a nice little stand on it. I think the color of it makes it almost kind of like a stainless steel vibe. And it could set really well on your countertop and look really good. Um, Back here, you've got the eject button right here. You've also got your power from 0 all the way to 5. And then we also have the turbo button here. So the cool thing is you can operate it consistently with one between 1 and 5, or you can just press it for turbo boost. And what you have is we've got 4 different accessories. You've got 2 dough hooks that you can attach to it if you're doing work with dough. So what we're going to do is we're going to attach the beaters. Make sure we get those locked in place. There we go. They're both locked in. And this thing's super smooth. Super smooth. So you can run it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or what you could do also is you could just do bursts of turbo. I like that. It's super smooth, super easy to use. I'm just doing it with milk. It's not getting anything anywhere. I think this is a high quality, but high value home appliance for beating your baked goods. And I think this is a good buy for you.